Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by somebody I know, somebody who's sent knives to the channel before. That's Mike. Thank you so much, Mike, for sending this along. I'm sure we'll have a note in the package there. And thank you also to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there is of course a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, looks like he's got his own sticker there. That's kind of neat. Or maybe just a sticker that is kind of in the shape of an M. It's neat. Alright, let's go ahead and get in here. This is a response to my community post for knives that I was looking for review, and Mike stepped up and sent another knife, so I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get all the tactical peanuts out. There's the pouch, and do we have, yeah, we have a note. Hang on one sec. Alright, so, oh gosh, yeah, you guys have already seen the thumbnail, so let's go ahead and show his Instagram here real quick. Please follow him at MikeCouCoules on Instagram. Thank you so much. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Alright. He sent some band-aids too. Okay, this is not a Wii knife. Move out of here, Tactical Peanuts. This is not your show. Oh my goodness. Is this like the copper dust carbon fiber? There's something special about this Koenig Arius. You guys ready? Flipper delete. No flipper tab. And there's a forward. Oh god, the ergos on this thing. I don't even know why I shook it. Oh my goodness. Okay, right now I'm just going to say this is my favorite version of the Arius. I've reviewed the carbon fiber flipper Arius. I've reviewed the full titanium flipper Arius, right? Those had no choils and they had flipper tabs, but because of the design here, it's the same deal as with the Hinderer non-flippers. You've removed that flipper tab and you've got room to access the forward choil, which on this knife is actually present versus its flipper counterparts that I've handled. Oh my gosh. Wonderful. I prefer this. Right off the bat, I prefer it without the flipper tab. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful, beautiful knife. Stunning. I know people are going to ask, where can you get these right now? At one point, I commented about Koenig Arius being, fairly available, and they have since not been as available. I don't know. It depends on when you're watching this video. If I can find links, I will put them down in the description. For those of you who don't know, these are extremely expensive. Very expensive. I want to say the Koenig Arius starts out at $500, $550. This is definitely more than that. Definitely. This particular variant. Beautiful. Thank you so much for letting me check this out. I am just beyond excited to experience this and talk about it. Very, very cool. This is one of the coolest knives I've had on the channel in a while. I am so pumped about this wonderful Koenig Arius being, or Koenig knives, Bill Koenig from Koenig Knives, some of the highest standards for production, fit and finish, just machining, fit and finish, all of that. It's just, these are always just absolute perfection. Wonderful. All right. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.